a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned. Bottle and a pistol by my side, the devil's always along for the ride. We ride down to the creek by the water. I've been baptized by the preacher's daughter. Lucky for me, no, he never caught us, so oh, we ride to the bar by the levee, 85 jacked up square by the Chevy, blanket in the back when it gets hot and heavy. Oh, oh, we ride, pedal to the floorboard, she begging for more, sipping on apple pie, moonshine, and I'll be gone by the morning light. Yeah, 'cause I've been known to write a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned. Bottle and a pistol by my side, the devil's always along for the ride. We ride across state lines, rubbing 2 nickels, just trying to make a dime. Hard to make a living while the gas is so high. Oh, we ride like a Harley on a 2-lane, Palomino across the plain, drop it down a 4-wheel drive on a Friday night, cracking open a cold Bud Light. Oh, we ride, pushing through the hard luck, looking for my give-a-fuck needle peg at 95, but that's alright, 'cause I'm running every red light. Yeah, 'cause I've been known to write a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned. Bottle and a pistol by my side, the devil's always along for the ride. Oh, we ride. Oh, we ride. Yeah, 'cause I've been known to write a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned. Bottle and a pistol by my side, devil's always along for the ride. Yeah, I've been known to write a few songs, loving and leaving and get too stoned. Bottle and a pistol by my side, devil's always along for the ride. Oh, for that ride, the devil's always along for that ride. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby giant condoms. I think it's about time we headed home. Walking on this tire road with my damn high hopes. Country boys don't die alone. Reading poetry under shade tree. That woman, she's my baby. I will be in Richmond by tonight. With so much shame inside me, I just wanna hide me, but they wanna hear me sing my songs under lights. It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby giant kind eyes. I think it's about time we headed home. Walking on this tire road with my damn high hopes. The country boys don't die alone. Every day's so fleeting, and I have been trying to save it while I can. Look on her face, all these hot, humid days, and the boys in my damn band. It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby giant kind eyes. I think it's about time we headed home. Walking such a tight road with my damn high hopes. Country boys don't die alone. Reading poetry under shade trees. That woman, she's my baby. I will be in Richmond by tonight. With so much shame inside me, I just wanna hide me. They wanna hear me sing my songs under lights.
Romulus and Remus Hill lived at the top of Washita Bend. Mama died, they laid her down and quickly took to squabbling over this one's mine. Take that, then you'll never be my brother. Or if you take mine, if you do that, then you'll never be my brother again. They'd get to thumping and the house would quake. They call the lightning down from God's front gate, and all the neighbors had to move along for fear they'd all get caught up in the wake of the Titan goddess. Good old boys in the oubliette of life, Southern County, oh the Titan goddess. Good old boys in the life, Southern County, oh the Titan goddess. Good old boys in the oubliette of life, Southern County again. Romulus and Remus Hill fought all the way down the road through town. None could stop their evil brawl until they reached the county burial ground and the lightning spoke. Living gods, just a silhouette, face upon the mountain and thunder roared. think God's just a silhouette, face upon the mountain, thunder roars. Michael's sword's just a hurricane being born in the valley again. Hurricane being born in the valley again. Hurricane being born in the valley again.
I used to be brash, I used to be bold, lived off rhythm and road. I burnt every bridge, swindled and stole, sold all stake in my soul. I went down to the creek to roll away stones. The water kept begging my bones. I started to sink, too late to atone, drowning in the sins that I've sown. Used to have plenty, but the devil within me convinced me to roam where the hill country ends and skies turn empty. No God can defend me from the evil I have known. I try to pretend redemption's in reach. I'd like to believe forgiveness suits me well. Maybe in grave I'll finally find peace, an acre in heaven or a kingdom in hell. Empty, the devil convinced me I'd finally find peace. I started to sing, God please forgive me, I wanna believe it, redemption's in reach.
Howling at the moon while the innocents sleep, through a canyon of concrete walls I've been down. Oh, but not this alone. 27 years, never missed a single sunset. Eyes growing green, living in the shadows, just another game to be seen. Some people say we sing a lonesome song for the cowboys, and others enjoy the company of the strange. Just like the Indian Sea, we're only here to guide the way. The common thing, oh, misunderstood. But at the end of the day, nobody cares for coyotes. We're gonna burn us out of town. Just like a two-faced liar, nobody cares for coyotes. We're gonna burn us out of town. Labeled as a young man, never had a chance. The night calls out, oh, come on home. 27 years, never done nobody wrong, but my eyes glow green. Living in the shadows, just another game to be seen. But at the end of the day, nobody cares for coyotes. They're gonna burn us out of town. Just like a two-faced liar, nobody cares for coyotes. They're gonna burn us out of town.
I live back in the woods, you see. Got a 5-star plant standing 50 feet down an old dirt road off of Interstate 10. Bring a 20-pack dime sack, party begins. Got a shotgun and a box of birds. Hop about the truck and ask what's the good word. Got shrooms in the pasture, growing up some laughter. If the cops show up, then it really don't matter. around the fire just writing the song. Got my family and friends right where we belong. Got some peer pressure, but just come as you are. You can pass out in the yard, now you're sleeping with the stars. Dream about the streets of gold, living in the past so we never grow old. Passing time on my granddaddy's land. I started shooting the shit and then I started a band, cause I'm a country band man, smoking weed, cooking contraband. I grew up in the southern land, playing guitar with my calloused hands. I'm a country band man, smoking weed, cooking contraband. I grew up in the southern land, I'm still working with my calloused hands.
Truth about some good old boys that were brought up in the loop. See, I'm the country band man, you know I grew up in the southern land. High demand, supply demand, cause I'm a fucking rider man. Redlining in a GMC Sierra Classic, baby, back when gas was cheap. While we were popping the tabs, the girls were losing their tops, hitting G-spots, steadily dodging the cops across the levee, bruh. Down in Old Gravel Road, shit, we can go to Jamie's house, cause daddy ain't home. Yeah, we were undercover lovers, hiding bitches under covers. Fuck the others, they then smother, make our girlfriend baby mothers. All we needed was some time, didn't even cut the lights off. Legs off, eat it raw, she running like a chainsaw. Couple extra rooms, I got a couple extra women. Skinny dipping, fingers slipping, definition, easy living, yeah.
I'm a country band man, smoking weed, cooking contraband. I grew up in the southern land, playing guitar with my calloused hands. I'm a country band man, smoking weed, cooking contraband. I grew up in the southern land, still working with my calloused hands. I'm a country band man, smoking weed, cooking contraband. I grew up in the southern land, still working with my calloused hands. I live back in the woods, you see. I got a 5-star plan standing 50 feet down an old dirt road off of Interstate 10. Bring a 20-pack dime sack, party begins.
Sunshine beating on the good times, moonlight racing from the grave, string band playing more of that honky tonks, pretty young thing going dancing in the rain. High heel lady spitting at the Nicky Jacks, businessman with a needle and a spoon, coyote chewing on a cigarette pack of young boys going howling at the moon. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my sense catches up with me. Three dead in a crash on the number 4. 2 witnesses blown up high. Not sure whose will be done. You can call me a sinner for wondering why. Hey Hey, darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey, darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey, darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my set sketches up with me. Corn liquor tastes sweeter in this town. Could it be it's the same as the last? I swear I've seen your face elsewhere before, just as familiar as a bottle and a glass. Hey, darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey, darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey, darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my set sketches up with me. Hey, darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey, darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey, darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my set sketches up with me. Lesson my sense catches up with me.
Lord, I'm a workhorse when I'm able. More like war horse caught in the stable of my mind, stabling my time, stabling my time, oh, stabling my time, time, time. They wanna feel all the wheel of control. All the diamonds, all the coal. Thieves wearing gold, visible lines. Thieves wearing gold, visible lines. They wanna watch me work, to see me bleed. I'll show you how to turn something into nothing. It's not as easy as